We are together again to meditate. We are trying to identify ourselves with the trees. To become lighter, we are starting with the picnic that you had with your family. Try to imagine the best day you enjoyed with the family. You had a family picnic and you went there and you enjoyed. Now, supposing you were near the lake and you had the nice meal and family has gone for boating and you were, after winding up, you were alone and you started walking around and you saw the grove and then you are walking towards that. You are having very different kind of feeling. There were wise men. They used to sit under the trees and they used to ask them, "Give what qualities you have, medicinal values, what," and they allow the breeze to purify. They release oxygen, the clean the atmosphere. They have duties. You are quite impressed. Some people are enlightened under the tree, like Buddha, Osho, many more. They sit under the tree and they feel they are enlightened. You are thinking on these lines and you go next to the tree. Some people advise you hug the tree. It takes away all the problems. You also tried to hug the tree. You felt very nice after hugging the tree and sharing your thoughts. You are standing along with the tree. You are enjoying, you're feeling very light, and then suddenly you feel as if the roots are appearing and they are penetrating into the earth. Your mind, body is shedding through the roots. Roots are penetrating into the earth. Slowly, slowly, more roots, they are penetrating into the earth. This release you're enjoying, and suddenly you felt your arms extended and turned into the branches of the tree. Your hair, lush green leaves, bunches of flowers on your ears, nose, eyes, hanging around you, and you are a tree. You are a huge tree. You allow the breeze to move. You give the shade to people to sit and relax. You release the oxygen. You bear flowers and fruits. Children come and play. Sometimes they throw stones. You just do not mind. You are so large hearted. You are holding the earth and you take the water from the underground. Now see, you are growing in the mud, the Mother Earth. You are absorbing the water element from the water, the earth. You are with the air, breeze. You are using the sunlight, photosynthesis, food is prepared. You are using the space. All five elements are transformed to make you the huge tree, the large hearted tree. You feel liberated as a giver, the large hearted giver, giver, the giver. Do not ask for anything in return. You have identified yourself with the trees. You are satisfied immensely from the core of heart. You are part of the universe as a tree and you have experienced. You do not ask, but you give. You are a large hearted giver and you have the satisfaction for this. You are thanking Almighty for this experience. You may thank Almighty. Feel within yourself. Come back to your original self by thanking Almighty for this experience. You are feeling very fresh, energetic. Thank you. God bless.